plan lupa.
So one is planning already.
Kajimot jong brio, kalamot durbe, kalaperkat be, kumbagalong hagapor jong Noah.
So the thoughts of people are already like the thoughts of people during Noah's time.
Tengah maham ye pi.
So we are warning you.
Ngiang ni tengah ngai ki angel dahin regi basnap akan hagapor.
I'm sure out here we are all angels, but you are listening right now.
Na maham ye pi kum syakri jong blei.
We are warning you like the servants
Blei
of
la pen
God.
krek lupa ya ka ka jing bitar ka kuri ka batnam ka jong na ka banta kita ki ba plan ban lep pop.
For God has already prepared a foaming wine, a cup for those who are planning
Ki ba
wicked.
sarong ki ba snowman ki bilek persya yo blei la ready lupa ya kata ka jing bitar ka jong
People who are haughty, people who are boastful, God has already planned His wrath
Brio
for
ki
them.
pai berkat shiklemat ki should la ka jong jing ka jong ki.
People are not aware, and at that a blink of an eye, they destroy, their lives are destroyed.
Solong kum taro ha ka sngi ba blei the na ka jing bitar ka jong
This is how it will be on the day when God will pour
Ka
out His
babel
wrath.
ka thu sha yang ino yones nang balai de khot lai pun rio.
John chapter 3, verse 36.
Utaw banget hau khon udan ka chingem bam chikot utate ubam ko ngo yo khon onom yo ka chingem hendra ka jing bitar ka jong blei kan yai sa halor jong
For whoever believes in the Son has eternal life. Whoever does not obey the Son shall not see life, but the wrath of God remains
ka
on
jing
him.
bitar ka jong blei kan yai sa halor jong
The wrath of God remains on him.
Lengyai ngo yo blei
But we thank God.
kumbaga don ka yingling ka jong Noah
As there was the ark of Noah,
ni don ru yo Jesus Christ ka yingling nam ta ka
it's on him.
Lengyai ngo yo blei
But we thank God.
kumbaga don ka yingling ka jong Noah
As there was the ark of Noah,
ni don ru yo Jesus Christ ka yingling nam ta ka ben sim jong i
so we have Jesus, the spiritual ark for
ka
us.
jing khang ka dang ple
The door is still open,
bagan sa khang no opat
but it will be shut soon.
ka Bible ki thu yangi
The Bible tells us
banda balarung
when they entered
kita ki breu ba kita ki marat
along with these
bau
animals,
blai udah khang no kita ka jing khang
God shut the door.
in puli ka ne ka por na ka ne ka Genesis no manyo ka khot ka ba khat rio ka ong kum ni bat ki tu ki belalek besut ki lelek chenrang bagan thai na ka do baro kum bau blai la hukum ya bat utrai ula khang ya siapa.
And those that entered, male and female of all flesh, went in as God had commanded him, and the Lord shut him in.
Bat habala khang ya ka jing khang dan subala un pli
And when the door is shut, no one can
wat ka
open.
omru kam la syo bandrung
Even the water cannot enter.
nga snobang ni ka way habang irong hau Chris
I love to think of this. When we enter into Jesus,
ngirong hapo
we enter
Jesus
in